Hi, welcome guys. I am Claudette Stamping with Miss Puff. Thanks for joining me at my Creative Corner. Today is Quick Tip Tuesday. So today I'll be discussing how to stamp your projects using tone and tone without having a large inventory of different colors within your stash. Okay, so Versamark ink is the key when it comes to tone and tone stamping. So it's not just good for heat embossing. We did a heat embossing technique a couple days ago. Okay, so what I'm gonna show you the variation with the Balmy Blue ink, and this is a Balmy Blue cardstock. So just to give you an idea here, so we have our stamp, and the ink is usually a little darker than the cardstock. So what I'm going to do is do a little second generation stamping, and I'm just going to stamp off here on my scrap piece of paper and then stamp here. So I'm going to clean my stamp off. And then we're going to use some of this Versamark ink. And see, it's not too far of a difference there with the Versamark ink. Hope you guys could see that. With all this lockdown situation going on, what are you guys doing with stocking up for with this coronavirus? We're gonna do this on a couple different colors. We stocked up on like tuna, flour. Coming from the islands, we could just mix. We used to like mixing a batter and doing like your fried bread, or we call it Johnny cake. So having flour around is good. What are you guys stocking up on? So this is more of a red card here. You see the tone and tone. And then we have a light purple here too as well. So that is my quick tip of the day, guys. Get you some Versamark ink. If you don't have to have a variety of colors to use, get tone and tone. Thanks you for tuning in. Have a nice evening. Be safe out there.